Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce with a typical Italian pronunciation the name of this type of Italian charcuterie. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce some delicious Italian food names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? Strolghino. Strolghino is how it would be said in Italy. This is a type of salami in Italian cuisine. It'd be fine in English to say it as Strolghino. Strolghino from Italian. Strolghino. And now you know indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more delicious Italian food names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.